Why e-commerce is a good side hustle for OFWs and immigrants. If you are an OFW or an immigrant, you already know how hard it is to work long hours away from family. Many of us want extra income, but we don't want another job that takes more time away from our loved ones. In this video, I'll explain why e-commerce is one of the best side hustles for OFWs and immigrants, even if you are starting with no experience. Stay until the end because I'll also share the most important mindset you need to succeed. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. Reason number 1, you can run it from anywhere. Key points. You don't need a physical store. You can manage your business from your phone or laptop. You can run it from another country or time zone. As an OFW or immigrant, this flexibility is powerful. Your income does not stop when you move. Reason number 2, you can start part-time. Many OFWs and immigrants already work full-time jobs. E-commerce allows you to start small. Benefits. Work on your business during free time. No need to quit your job. Learn step by step. You don't need to rush. Even 1 to 2 hours a day can build something meaningful over time. Reason number 3, low startup cost compared to traditional business. Starting a traditional business requires a large investment. E-commerce does not. Examples: no rent, no physical store, no large staff. You can start with reselling, consignment, or drop shipping and slowly grow your capital. Reason number 4, systems do the hard work for you. E-commerce platforms have systems in place that help you. Examples: Amazon handles shipping and returns. Marketplaces already have buyers. Automation tools save time. This means you don't need to do everything yourself, even if you are busy working. Reason number 5, e-commerce can grow into long-term income. What starts as a side hustle can become a long-term source of income. Growth opportunities. Expand to multiple platforms. Build your own brand. Create passive income streams. Many sellers start part-time and eventually turn e-commerce into their main business. Reason number 6, it gives you more control over your time and future. OFWs and immigrants often sacrifice time with family to earn a living. E-commerce gives you an opportunity to build something that supports your family without always being away. It may not replace your job immediately, but it can open doors to more freedom in the future. Real talk. E-commerce is not easy. E-commerce is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Challenges, learning curve, mistakes along the way, patience is required. But if you stay consistent and keep learning, it is worth it. If you are an OFW or an immigrant watching this, remember this. You already have discipline, resilience, and sacrifice. Those are the same traits successful entrepreneurs have. Start small, start part-time, but start. If this video encouraged you, please like and subscribe. Comment below where you are watching from and if you are planning to start e-commerce. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.